Hello everyone. Welcome to the session on sentiment analysis. It is also called opinion mining or emotion AI. So let's get started. Sentiment analysis is the interpretation and classification of emotions. The source material is text data such as customer reviews or newspaper articles. It could be a single sentence review or a full article. The aim is to understand how a target audience is feeling about a certain issue. The basic idea is to classify a piece of text according to the sentiment it contains. For example, a statement such as, "I really like computers," can be classified as having a positive emotional content. It is a favorable statement. By automatically analyzing customer feedback, from survey responses to social media, brands are able to listen attentively to their customers and tailor products and services to meet their needs. The analysis itself is tricky. It is easy enough for humans to read some text and make an instant judgment of the sentiment it carries, but not so for computers. Some algorithms pick out single words and analyze emotion according to their individual interpretation. They will count happy words, sad words, and neutral words. And the sentiment is identified by checking which kind of words are appearing more often. For example, a financial article may contain some positive words such as profit, agreement, growth. Then there could be negative words such as losses, downturn, or trade war. Market, economy, and cash can be examples of neutral words that add no value to the sentiment analysis. They can go either way. However, these simple algorithms often miss the overall context that humans pick up. It is also difficult for them to interpret sarcastic statements such as, "I love the way ABC company is so good at losing loyal customers." Here, the balance of positive and negative words may result in mislabeling of the sentence as a positive one. Sentiment analysis models can focus on the polarity of the sentiment. It could be a positive, negative, or a neutral sentiment, or they could focus on the feelings and emotions. So they'll try and extract information such as angry, happy, or sad, etc. Or they could focus on intentions. For example, is this customer interested or not interested in my product? Many emotion detection systems use lexicons. These are lists of words and the emotions they convey. Other systems use complex machine learning algorithms. The classical approaches include bag of words or bag of n-grams. More recently, new feature extraction techniques have been applied based on word embeddings, which allow words with similar meaning to have a similar representation, and this can improve the performance of the machine learning model. Now let us examine the benefits of sentiment analysis. Imagine manually sorting through thousands of tweets, Facebook posts, or Amazon reviews. There's just too much data. So sentiment analysis helps to process this data in an efficient and cost-effective way, which just cannot be done manually. They also provide the opportunity for timely action. Real-time sentiment analysis can identify critical issues in real time. For example, is a public relations crisis on social media escalating? Or is an angry customer about to churn? This is valuable information for the company as it allows immediate action and therefore containment of any possible losses. People often disagree on the sentiment contained in a particular text, so automated analysis helps by enforcing the same set of objective rules on the entire data available. This can help improve accuracy and gain better insights. And that's all for today. Looking forward to receiving some positive sentiments from you. If you like this mini bite, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.